gave you my heart. I gave you my heart. I gave you my heart.
Welcome to my channel. It's me, Adrian's Heart. Now, today we're doing a wig review. Yes, it's beautiful wig on my head, and yeah, this wig costs about $300, and it is Brazilian version. No, it's not.
A cap for me.
Yeah, the cap is on your hair. On the top of your head.
The cap is
the
on
wig
your
is the
hair.
cap.
It's not. It's a synthetica. It's a synthetica, you know. I love me some syntheticas because you can just pop them on and pretty much go. Like, these curls came like this. Like, these layers came like this. Like, this parting came like this. Ain't had to bleach no knots. I ain't had to do none of that stuff. All I had to do is put this wig on, cut the lace, and put it on.
Put that shit on. Put that shit on. Put that shit on.
So if you like a effortless look, I recommend just getting a synthetic wig that's basically like not human hair blend, but you can get human hair blend though, but that's heat safe. Okay, so this wig that we have is the Bobbi Boss. It's these Bobbi Boss Daniella in the color number 2. I wanted a natural color. I want it to look like human hair. And yes, as you already know, synthetic hair does shed. Does shed just like any human hair shed. So human hair shed, synthetic hair shed. This hair also tangles. It is a synthetic wig, so you gotta expect that it's gonna tangle. It's long, so it's about 30 inches. So on me, it's about 30 inches. I'm 5'3". So I'm gonna show you a way to basically fix your wig from tangling as much. I'm gonna show you how to fix that in a minute, but first we're gonna talk about this wig. So I got this wig from my local beauty supply store. They overcharged me, but you can get this wig online for about $40, $45 the max, you know. This has antibacteria, block UV rays on it. You can get the money piece highlight that's in the picture, which is really cute. I like that one. That was cute. You know, it's a very nice wig. As you can see, it's a 13 by 4. They have some really neat colors, like this red and orange color, this blue one. They have some highlighted and ombre colors also, and it is a very beautiful wig. Okay, so you're definitely gonna need a brush when it comes to synthetic wigs. I don't care which wig you get, they all tangle. You're gonna need a brush. Okay, so you just want to brush through it to get it, you know, back to you can run your fingers through it. You know, see how simple that was? That's all you gotta do is just have a brush. Okay, especially if it's like windy outside or something, you definitely gonna need this brush. Okay, I got this brush from Walmart. I like that it like moves so it won't snatch out your hair, you know, so I really like that. Okay, so let me show you how I get my wigs to have the least tangling, my synthetic wigs. Okay, I like to shear the ends of it with a razor comb, okay? You can call it a hair shaper, razor comb, whatever, same shit, okay? This is what they look like. It has a razor in there, and you basically just comb through the hair, and then basically thins out the hair in spots. And to me, the reason why the hair tangles, in my opinion, is because like they're clumped together like that. So when you have human hair has like little different like layers of hair, like micro layers of hair, and that's why it's less prone to tangle as it is as synthetic hair. Synthetic hair are usually like one chunky length like this, and you see how it tangles. See, this part is not tangling because it's already like layered kinda, but this is not, it's tangling because it's not layered, you know. And I'm not saying you have to layer it like this, but just layering the ends or in between the hair really helps with the tangling. So I'm gonna do that on camera for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now you see how this is tangling, right? So I'm gonna show you the difference. So I'm gonna start by piece, and this is what I do to all my synthetic waves because it really makes a big difference. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by just gliding that razor down, and you see how easy it is. This is definitely a new razor, so be aware of that. Okay. You see the difference between the two pieces? One piece looked real natural and the other piece looked really clunky and big. Okay, second piece, we're gonna go ahead and start. You wanna start really low. You don't wanna start up high. And I kinda made that mistake on this wig by starting a little bit too high in the back. And you'll see that. Looking good. Giving. I even like how that looks, that little like short look. Baby, you can't say that I don't look like no human her. Okay, let me stop getting too excited. Okay, so now we're on the last piece, and this is the piece where I kind of messed up at. I cut it. I started too high up and literally cut the hair shorter. See how high I started? Don't do that. See how I've stayed at the ends? Stay at the ends. And just try not to cut the hair too much at the bottom too, because it will cut the length off. But you can see, look at the difference. You see how that looks like human hair and that looks really synthetic-y and like bulky. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like real hair is like naturally layered. Even if you don't put layers in it, it's naturally layered. So it's starting to come together. Right here, I'm just showing you like the difference. So we're moving on the other side. Yeah, this does also work with human hair. With human hair, I would do this if you want the hair to be thinner. Like, say if you want your hair to look a little bit more thinner, then I would do this. Because it definitely thins out the hair. Yeah, you're gonna get that movement. You seen that? It wasn't much, but it was a little movement going there. Stiff wear. Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, nowhere.
Stiff what?
Where?
No.
Yeah. For the billionth time, start lower if you want to keep the length of the hair. And don't go over it at the bottom like I did. Just only do it like once or twice at the ends to keep the length of the hair. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. It looked like I curled this hair myself. It looks a lot better. In my opinion, it looks a lot better. It doesn't look like a synthetic wig once you do this. It literally will look like a human hair wig. I literally could have stopped at that point right there and it would have been good enough right there. But sometimes I get a little sheer happy. So I'm going to go over it again at this point and really just get in there and make sure everything is just flawless. Because I was still getting like a few snags. So that's why I was like, let me get in there and get those pieces that are kind of still clumped together and not separating. Because I don't want the hair to clump together anymore. I want it to literally separate and, you know. If you know what I know, you know what I know. This does take a lot of practice. Nothing is perfect. So, as you can see, I definitely made a few mistakes. But hey, it still looks absolutely gorgeous. And I would say doing this, definitely take your time and definitely start low. We're getting somewhere. Look how pretty I look. Oh my God. Feeling it. Feeling that looks like human hair. What? Stiff wear? Where does that look like a synthetica? The hair looks and feels like human hair once you do this. Looks and feels. It's not giving me Halloween. Okay, so here I'm just showing you in a different lighting what the hair looks like finished. You can see how easy it is for me to run my hands through it. You can see that it's very manageable. It's flowing. It feels like human hair. Look at that scalp. Yes, honey. Giving. The flip over is easy. I love human hair wigs for the scalp. For the lace, it just always gives. Feeling it. Those layers are hitting. It's just looking very beautiful and effortless. With these soft curls and layers, it's really giving me human hair without the hassle. So try this out and let me know how it works for you. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, and if you like this video, and go ahead and leave a comment. And if you like my videos, go ahead also and subscribe.
And I will see you guys in my next video.
This is my hair.
Bye.